Okay, here's the engine running. It's whisper quiet, really nice. Okay, we're gonna go on a quick test drive here. We have 63,116 miles on the odometer. And before we get started, I wanted to show you those bad boys work perfect. Little cup holders, and they tuck away nice and clean. Now, if you see any flickering anywhere, that's just in camera. That is not in person. I love the build quality on these older Mercedes. They are very solid and they feel good. The shift's nice and smooth. The alignment feels perfect. That steering wheel's nice and straight. Zero vibrations in the wheel. I'm gonna hit on the brakes kind of hard in 3, 2, 1. Oh yeah, brakes are solid. They have a really good bite on them. And then you have this little shade here for the sunroof where you can open it and see out. And look at this turning radius. It is incredible. And then hitting on the brakes. Solid. It gets up and goes, shifts nice and smooth, brakes feel good, alignment, I mean, zero complaints on drivability. Very, very nice car driving wise. Okay, we're gonna do a visual condition report. So we're looking for scuffs, scratches, chips, dings, any cosmetic imperfections that we can find. Now this is a 2-owner car and it does have a Carfax report on the back bumper. And then looking at the car, the front bumper has been painted, the fender has been painted, the door, quarter panel, and the back bumper. So this was not on a Carfax report, so we don't have any information on that, but I can look in that paint and tell you that it has some little dimples and little imperfections. And so this side has been painted. Now looking at it though, you can see from a distance, color matching looks amazing. You have to get up close and look at it. You're gonna see some small imperfections. But like I said, front bumper, fender, door, and quarter panel, and back bumper have been painted. Looking at this wheel, you do have some heavy rash and some flaws in the finish from over the years. So you're going to see that kind of spider cracking in that finish. A little rash right there. You got the Pilot Sport All Seasons. Date code 2023. Looking at that fender. Like I said, if you get close, you're gonna see little dimples in the paint. Overall, looks good. You can see right here, you have overspray on the weather stripping in there, and that's kind of a telltale sign. Here on the lower side, if you get really low, you're gonna see a couple flaws on that low side, rock impacts, things like that. Here on the side mirror, a couple little gashes there, and then under here, you have some gashes, a couple little markings. All of that looks amazing up there. Making our way down the door. Little chip here. Small chip there. Overall in good condition though. Got a chip here. Like I said, you can see some dimples in there as well. You can see kind of a gash right here. Looking at that, looks good. I'm talking about dimples. This will be kind of a good indication here. You See all those little dimples kind of throughout the paint. Looking at the reflection on that light. So you're gonna see those kind of scattered throughout. And then of course, that looks good right here, nice and clean. Here on this wheel, you do have rash kind of peppered throughout those edges. And then you're going to see some pitting and little imperfections all throughout as well. A lot of that's just in that finish from the factory. Date code on that tire, 2023. Looking at the clarity on that lens, that looks amazing. Very, very nice, super clear. Here on the hood, a couple little rock chips every once in a while. Little minor stuff. Got a chip right there. Yep, a little bit larger one right here. Other than that, looks good. Like I said, the front bumper has been painted at some point. You're going to see a lot of texture and kind of orange peel in it. You do have a crease right here. It looks like something kind of hit that. You do have some flaws in that lens, if you can see that. But the clarity looks really good. Getting underneath, you can see the bumper got pulled out right here, so it looks like it hit something and then pulled it out. And then of course you're going to have rash and stuff like that under there. Looking at the grill looks good. Lower side looks good. And it's really hard to see that front end, that bumper piece popped out unless you get underneath. Let's see on the tow hook here, you have gashes from them popping that cover off. You have some chunks kind of notched out there. None of this has been painted though. All of that looks good. Fender's nice and clean. You have some pretty heavy rash on this wheel as well, and the typical pitting and little imperfections. Pilot Sports, like I said, the all season 4s. Date code 2023, same as the other side. Lens looks good, A-pillar nice and clean. Looking down that door. A couple little chips here on that inside. You have a gash right there. A couple small chips. Quarter panel, that looks good. This is probably the cleanest of all the wheels. Looks really nice. You still have curb rash on it around the edge, but the overall finish looks good. Even checking out the barrel, looks nice. Deck lid looks good. It does not look like it's ever been painted. Now in this paint, you're gonna have typical swirls from just everyday washing, but overall it looks phenomenal. Really, really nice. SL550. Looking at the lens, look how clear those are, super nice. Got a chip here. Got the parking sensors, those look good. See that kind of bowing out. You got the gap there. That lens looks nice. They did a great job on this. Looks really good. Okay, checking out the interior. It is a non-smoker, and you can see it is all gray. Looking at this door panel, the leather, you're going to see the flaws in that finish, and you're going to see a lot of yellowing across the stitching. Just kind of over the years. You'll see throughout this car, all the stitching is kind of yellowed and has some sort of, I don't know if that would be like a chemical issue or maybe glue caused it to do that, but you'll kind of see that throughout. Buttons look amazing. These all look good. Memory seating, heated and cooled seats. Super cool. Got the nice speakers. That works great. Love the stainless trim here, especially protecting the car. Looking at that jam, looks good. Here on that bolster, typical wrinkles and wear. You're going to see a lot of discoloration. You can see this has kind of been repaired. Very dingy. But the foam all looks good, still nice and clean and intact. Looks good up there. All of that looks nice. Carpets, typical little stains, but for the most part in great condition. See, you got the yellowing here, and you're going to see it on those panels as well in a second. Buttons look good, nice and clean. A little bit of wear here and there on that steering wheel, but for the most part in great condition. Upper side of the dash, that looks good. You're going to see a lot of wrinkling and flaws on that leather. Screen looks good though. Wood grain nice and clean. I mean, that center console looks beautiful. A little bit of wear there. And then up here, you're going to see a lot of flaws in that. And see, once again, yellowing kind of around the stitching. Some fading up here. Push that button. You can see them fold up. You see some damage there and a lot of yellowing, and this is just kind of flaking off. All right, looking at this door panel, of course, right here on the corner, you're gonna see some flaws on that. You can see this is kind of dingy and yellowed, and then you can see this is yellowed, and you're gonna see that factory defect in the leather, of course. Lower side looks good. Awesome cubby there. That works great. Overall, that's in great condition. Look at those buttons, look really, really clean. Got a little notch here. That looks nice. Upper side looks really good. Now this was glued on at some point, so you're gonna see glue kind of popping out. I see glue all in here. And looking at that carpet, looks really nice. I like the all stainless trim here. Looking at that seat, typical wear, but overall in great condition. Same here, really soft leather, very minimal wear on that. That looks really nice. Now looking at that seat from here, you can see how dingy it is just over the years. You got some heavy yellowing right here on that. Kind of dingy. Looks like this was all repaired at some point. You can see all the stitching. They painted over it. So I imagine maybe with the accident, it blew this out and they repaired it all. So look at that, it's all covered up. And then you're gonna see typical flaws on that leather. Upper side of the dash, looks good. You can see that kind of wrinkling, just typical flaws over the years. Then here in the back, you're going to see some typical wear. You have some yellowing and flaws there. Not quite sure why all the stitching areas have yellow. I don't know if that's some sort of chemical issues over the years or what. Maybe some glue kind of seeping out. You do have some stains in the carpet. You have some stains down there. All right, checking out the engine bay. We're just gonna scan through some of this. All the plastics look great though. They've been protected, nice and clean. Looking at the headlights, I don't know if this is factory or not, but I do see glue here. So it looks like this is kind of glued and then it kind of stops here, but nothing up there. So I have a feeling that may have been glued, maybe it's leaking or something like that. And it's very similar to that side. Looks good. That looks nice. Not sure the date code on the battery. Looking at the hood, the liner there, that's in great condition. See how this one has some glue there too, but nothing up here, so it could possibly be factory, but pointed out. Just so you know, that looks good. Nice and clean. Very, very pretty engine bay. There's a cold start for you. Got your owner's manual in there. That cubby works perfect. Here's your top. That looks good. Center console. All of those work good. Really nice. And then you have the air right here to raise that front end. So I'm going to push it right now. See it raise up. It's not much, and now I'm going to drop it. See it drop just a little bit. Let's air it out now. We got the glass top here. Looking at that paint, from what I can see, that looks amazing. 2 little chips right there. The rest that looks good. Got the tint on that glass as well. Looking at that pillar. That is in great condition. Same here. And then scanning that. Really, really nice.